How to talk with Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can talk with Meta AI on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp application and here you will be able to see a Meta AI chat. So you'll either be able to see the Meta AI chat in your recent chats or you can even search for it. Then just open the chat and here you'll be able to see a mic icon over here that is of green color. So what you gotta do is just click on this mic icon and just talk something. So for example, I'm just saying something to them. So just say that, for example, that what is the significance of Great Wall of China? So just say any question, like whatever question you want to ask them. You can just say that, and after that you'll be able to see that they're gonna respond to that question, like you are talking with them through chat and they will give you a whole detailed response to that. So that was how you can talk with Meta AI on WhatsApp. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.